Here we are about to do an ASMR, and it's raining right now. You can hear the rain. Listen. Very therapeutic.
Like, comment, subscribe.
What's up, dude? What are you doing? How's it going? We are doing an oil change and having a photo shoot of my beard. Videography. This is probably like the hardest position. You have to be so fucking fit to just fucking constantly keep doing this. Fuck, it's fucking done. You gotta lay back for it to take over, dude, because it's just fucking hard.
Slow down. Bumper's coming off?
Yeah, bumper's coming off. The bra is not.
So here we have the Mishimoto. You can see it feels like very plasticky. Put your fingers in there. This is the call you make when you're in trouble.
Damn!
That's the only downside is it's 33 pounds heavier. Well, look at that shit. It's longer and longer and wider. This will suck you in.
Here we are about to do an ASMR, and it's raining right now. You can hear the rain. Listen. Very therapeutic. Here we are doing the, what is that called?
Intercooler.
The intercooler. We're changing it. Do you want to hear the screws going in the slot, in the thread? That sounds very, very erotic.
Trying to get your beard now.
yeah. I'm trying to start a fire with metal screws. Yeah, this is ASMR. You want to hear some chapstick? Moistening my lips for the chapstick, and now I'm gonna try it. Okay, we're good now.
Cause I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the man that died.
We're gonna cross the street without their chonies.
Are you from Tennessee? Cause you're the only 10 I see.